Okay, we're gonna get on the boat now. We've got the private boat.
Yes.
Jing? Get a 25% discount off with our friend. Ooh, yeah. Oh yes. It's those mountains that I love, man. We can grab some food here.
Don't worry.
I'm getting a bit peckish now. Alright, we're in Phang Nga Island. We decided to walk up this bridge thing. Decided to come and grab some food somewhere. Somewhere. Don't know where.
That's our big restaurant. Let's go this way.
A little bit of shopping.
Okay, madam. Huh?
Alright. Dun, dun. Oh, this is why. Hey. Pick up. Yeah. When we went to Rio de Janeiro, this is there's a lot of this stuff out there as well. Hi. Interesting. Wow.
What?
Living on the sea is pretty cool, to be fair. I could do it for probably a few months. I'd like to try it. It's got a gym here, it's got fresh seafood. As you can see, not much health and safety, you can literally just fall off the edge here. Gym. Relaxing. Pop in the herb. Hi.
We're not strong.
You'll be careful of this, man. If you're tall like me, they'll walk straight into that bush. Hey. Chill.
Just leave.
They look healthy. They've got really nice fur. It's amazing. Collect all the plastic there. This is really cool. Hi. You alright, little one? Welcome. Pretty amazing. These are people's houses there. Wow. I love exploring the culture around here. Wow. Sorting Recycling Centre. I don't think we can go in there, can we?
Sure.
Yeah. Assembly route. So here, guys, we're coming to the end of the floating village, I think. Come on. Hey, nice one. Yeah, look at the coral coming on the concrete. Sorry? School, or? Oh wow. I like this. It's a different world, isn't it? Sorry, Dad. You want to go? Yeah. Here is the harbour. Yes. Across. Which one? Is that him? Jingo? You're right. One by one. Okay, Ko Panyi. Hey. Oh. Hi. We're back on our boat, guys. You're right. Love you. You better.